In a world that often feels overwhelming, sometimes the greatest lessons come from the smallest of creatures. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary life of the hummingbird, a tiny powerhouse of resilience. These incredible birds embark on journeys spanning thousands of miles, facing harsh weather and constant energy demands. Their tiny bodies require a relentless intake of nectar, making every moment a race against exhaustion. They are truly living on the edge. Just like the hummingbird, we all face challenges that seem insurmountable. But the hummingbird teaches us that even the smallest efforts can lead to extraordinary results. It reminds us to break down our goals into manageable steps, to find energy in small victories, and to never give up on our journey. So, how can we apply the hummingbird's lessons to our own lives? First, break down large goals into smaller, achievable steps. Second, identify what fuels your energy and motivation. And third, celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. What challenges have you overcome? Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories from the natural world. Let the hummingbird remind you that even the smallest among us can achieve the greatest feats.